Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I will show you how to connect your smartphone to your Ford Escape via Bluetooth. This video applies to Ford Escapes made from 2008 all the way up to 2012. Okay, first thing you want to do, make sure that Bluetooth is turned on your phone. Then you will press onto this phone button on the steering wheel. There will be a message displayed right here, no phone paired, add Bluetooth device. So to say yes, okay, you want to push the same button but the right side of the button, so right here. So press OK.
Press OK to begin pairing a device.
So press OK again.
Search for sync on your device and enter the PIN provided by sync.
Okay, now on your phone you want to search for the sync. Okay, there's a bunch of stuff here. Okay, this sync up here is my other car, so this is the one I need. Sync under available devices, because this phone was never connected to this Escape. Okay, so I'm pairing now, and the pin displayed here is 669491. So I will type this into my phone now. 669491. Okay, connecting. Okay.
For your safety, please stay alert to changing road conditions and use Sync's voice-activated features while your vehicle is in motion. To use this device for Bluetooth audio, change your source to Bluetooth audio in the media menu.
Okay, so that's pretty much it. Now it's asking me set this as primary phone. If you want to select yes, press OK again. So I believe you can add up to 4 or 6 Bluetooth devices to this Escape. I'm not really sure, but 4 at minimum. Okay, and this is it. This is how you connect your smartphone to your Ford Escape. Okay, so I will also show you now to access phone menu. Again, press this button, and now you have these 2 buttons left and right, and you can pretty much scroll through the menu. So you have phone redial, call history, phone book, text messages, phone settings, 911, system settings. So there's a bunch of different options that you can play with to set it up the way you want. In the description below this video I will also post a link to my video on how to delete Bluetooth device or all of them from your Ford Escape, because in case your device list is full, you won't be able to add your new device until you delete at least one from the system. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel you can find lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.